Summer is here and the vegetables are coming hot off the land. And today we're talking tangy beans and tasty fingerling potatoes featuring basswood honey that just came fresh from the beehive from the wonderful Kawartha Lakes honey. Here on Tasty Thursdays with Anna. Let's get started. Let's clean up these beans, take off the ends, give them a little wash, put them in a decent sized pan with about an inch of water. I had some extra peppers and some cauliflower I just added in for variety. Steam those up for about 10 minutes until they're nice and tender. Once they're ready, you can just turn off the heat, set those aside, and let's get on to our little fingerling potatoes. These potatoes have such a wonderful little sweet taste to them. Just washing them up, making sure we cut off any of potatoes that have any green on them. I'm going to cut these in half. Have a little baking sheet here lined with a little foil. Put a little olive oil on there. I think these potatoes would go great with some of my fresh herbs. Here we have some green and purple basil, some mint and tri-colored sage and oregano. I'm going to take a clipping off a few varieties here. I really encourage people to check out the medicinal quality of herbs. For instance, basil is high in antioxidants, contains anti-inflammatory and immune supportive properties. The aroma is just delightful and really can wake up your senses. I'll just chop these up and add them to the potatoes. Now you can add your own seasoning. I have some pink Himalayan salt and some cumin. Here's some turmeric. And I think I'll add some fresh garlic here as well. And now for the basswood honey. This adds such a nice sweetness. I think this dish calls for a little bit of color, don't you? I think I'm going to add some fresh beet to this potatoes. So I'll just clean up this beet. Chop it up into some small pieces and I will add this to my potato mixture. Extra virgin olive oil. Mix that up and add it to your lined baking sheet. And I'll cook this in the oven at about 300 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Back to the beans. This pumpkin oil is from Activation Products, and I like to add a variety of oils to my meals. Pumpkin oil has so many medicinal qualities. And then I have some balsamic vinegar and some hot pepper oil that was gifted to me. Adding some Himalayan salt. And now for that basswood honey. Did you know that when you mix honey with a cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar, that it helps with weight loss, improves seasonal allergies, and blood pressure? Doing a little taste test here, and I think I'm going to add a little bit more salt and spice it up a little bit with some more hot oil. That tastes just right. Potatoes are done. That honey really caramelizes those potatoes. So there we have it. Bon appetit.